I love you, Jesus. I don't know what to do, dude. I am at a loss for fucking words. I put a good, 5 bullets at least into that fucker. No, fuck you, Chance, you die. Oh my god, how did that not fucking kill him? My jaw is about on the fucking floor right now. Dear Lord, this game is fucking a big old load of dick shit. It's true, dude. This game is horseshit.
What?
Assisted suicide, thank God. I was gonna have menstrual bleeding if I didn't go out there. Menstrual bleeding? What?! What?! Oh my god! I really am just at a loss for words. I don't.
What the fuck is this doing spawning back here? What the fuck?
Ah, bitch!
Fuck you. Fucking strafe run.
They're all fucking us in our spawn.
True that. Shut the fuck up.
This is so stupid. Screaming's the only thing that makes me kind of laugh.
Fuck you, strafe run.
Oh
Fuck you,
my
strafe run.
dear
Fuck you, strafe
ball
run.
sack.
Oh my god, it's strafe run's coming.
I'm checking all my corners.
Holy shit.
Holy shit, it's a cop.
Holy shit. That's awful.